Now, what could this be? Dang it! Is this what? A Doritos tree? These things are impossible to find in nature. Hi! I'm Nature's Survivalist. Today, we're going to be eating some Doritos. Because I got nothing bad to do in my life because I'm like so Nature's Survivalist, you guys are jealous. In my realm again, I don't want to do the same thing. No. No. What? Is this dirt? Is this mango dirt? Don't tell me. The freshest mango drink in nature. Still full? Ah. Those cars are hard to find in nature. Good.
Oh my gosh, these things are like so delicious. Nom 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 nom. Surviving.
I heard a coyote. Coyotes are very dangerous in nature. They want to try taking my Doritos. Well, I got a big surprise for those suckers over there. You want to take my Doritos, you little bum? Bang! Bang, 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 bang! Ready? I got the shotgun. Be ready. 3, 2, 1. Hey, you're dead. Yay, I killed it. I slayed the beast. Everything's okay. Nature's Survivalist back. Very hard to survive in these conditions. Not much food. Doritos, not much food. I think I was going to say, very crucial to find food. It tastes like raspberries. I hate raspberries. It expired. Jabang! You got basketball skills. You have to have basketball skills. If you're a Nature's Survivalist, you always want to have basketball. You know why? Because it don't taste like raspberries. I hate raspberries. Like, they suck. Freaking raisins too. Raspberries and raisins, my mortal enemies. They haunt me like a ghost. Yeah. You gotta pick it from the basketball tree. Whoa! Look at this basketball plant. It's ripe. Let's go. So, if you want to play basketball, you gotta shoot basketballs. Now, I'm Kobe. As I will be showing you right now. Kobe Bryant! Ah, dang it! I missed! That is all we have for Nature's Survivalist today. I'm sorry for the most awkward video I've probably ever made. I swear they will get better. I don't have a real British accent or Australian, whatever one it is. But we'll be getting back next, whenever. I don't care, I'm Nature's Survivalist. You gotta survive. So, luckily my phone's on 2. Okay, great. So, we're gonna survive later. It's quite hard to survive in nature. You know, getting all in your raspberry beeswax. I hate raspberries. But on the bright side, we will be back next week. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and we will see you next week. See you, guys.